I feel like Bill Gates is a pioneer in his own way, in many ways, actually. So I would definitely just love to sit down and see what he would like to work up to 3D printing.
Your Mount Rushmore of dream clients would look like? Like, who would you like love to do projects with?
As far as just individuals or big businesses?
Both, man.
Um, that's a good question. Does it have to be like specific, like a set number of them, or?
Let's say 4.
Okay, all right. So Mount Rushmore, you're right. Okay. I would like to work with, I guess, Google somehow, just because I know that they're very innovative over there, and they have a lot of people on the team that can provide a lot of good insight on what's really useful in the world. Elon Musk.
Elon Musk.
I know his mind is very, very out there. I'll say that, to say the least. Who else? Steve Jobs, rest in peace, because I know that he was ahead of his time with everything he was thinking of.
Right.
And then one more person, who would I put there? Oh, Bill Gates, for sure. I feel like Bill Gates is a pioneer in his own way, in many ways, actually. So I would definitely just love to sit down and see what he would like to work up for 3D printing.
Yeah. It's interesting that all like the company and the 3 people that you addressed were all like, it's kind of similar to you, trailblazers in their own right, pioneers and all that.
Right.
Exactly. Speaking of like Elon Musk, just out of curiosity, what do you think of some of like the stuff that he's been doing with like SpaceX?
Yeah, I'm not 100% familiar on SpaceX yet, but I from the things that I've heard, I think it's cool that he's at least pushing the boundaries. You know what I mean? At least stepping outside of the norm as far as what we can do as humans on this earth. So it comes off a little crazy at times, kind of like, what is he doing? But I think you have to be crazy before you can make anything amazing. So I'm all for it. I support it.
I really like that line. You got to be crazy before you.
Yeah, you got to, man.
Do you feel as though like that's kind of like a core value for you, because you've been like pursuing all of this and contributing so much to your community? You think you got a bit of like that kind of like crazy ambition in you?
For sure. Because honestly, like I said, if I wasn't the way I was, if I didn't think the way I did, if I wasn't so out there, then I would probably kind of just fit into a routine, and I would have never picked up 3D printing. I would have never did anything outside of the norm. I would have just did what society told me to do. So definitely, I feel like you got to have that mindset to where, like, I don't care if this sounds so outlandish that you'll never talk to me again. That's fine. But I have to do it because it's never been done, and it's pushing the boundaries that no one's ever went to before. So yeah, for sure, you got to be crazy.